For a fun-filled, family-friendly getaway, Sol Palicanos Ocas is a top choice in Benidorm. Best known as the filming location for the TV show Benidorm, this lively hotel is just a short walk from Levante Beach and packed with great facilities. The rooms are modern and comfortable, with options for families and couples alike. Many offer pool views or private balconies, perfect for soaking up the sunshine. The pool area is the star attraction, featuring a huge lagoon-style pool, swim-up bar, and plenty of lounges for relaxing. Kids will love the children's splash area and daily entertainment. Dining is varied, with buffet-style meals offering international and Spanish cuisine, plus snack bars and poolside refreshments. With live shows, themed nights, and a prime location near bars, restaurants, and the beach, Sol Palicanos Ocas delivers a fun, action-packed holiday for all ages.